Hello, hello. Danny here of Danny's Dreams. It's Saturday, so that means it's time for Saturday Showcase. If you're new to my channel, Saturday Showcase is where I share all the creations that I've made throughout the week. In the description box below will be all the links to the blog posts or videos that I've made that will give you more details about each creation that I share. This week is a Craft and Kimmy release, so later on today when all the new goodies are available, I will have another video up sharing all of those new release cards that I made and sharing the new products and stuff. So come on back later for that. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss a thing. As you can see, I've been a busy bee, so let's get to it here. Get everything out of the way here so we can get on. Let me get things in order so I know how to explain them to you and all of that good stuff. So, here we go. First up, I have this card that was for the Craft and Kimmy Saturday Challenge, and it was to use girls. I have wanted this stamp set for such a long time. It's called Fond of You, and it came back in stock, and I swooped it up really quick, and I just love it. And I love the little scene that I created with that little deer and how I colored her, the little clouds, the butterflies. I really like it. And then there's the inside. So there's So Fond of You. Next up was the April 2022 sheet load of cards. I do have a video for that, so I'm not going to really spend much time on them. This month's sheet load is an amazing sheet load. I think it's my favorite. It's a mini slimline with a fun fold. So it opens up like that. Super duper cute. I used a stamp set from Not Too Shabby. Spring is in the air, and just cute, cute, cute. Next up was this Sending Paper Hugs card for my There's a Stamp for That challenge of a mini slimline. And I love that die from Cat Scrappiness, and this was a die from Cat Scrappiness as well. I also have a blog post and video about that. Next up was a fun card for Craft Roulette. And if you haven't heard, on Friday, April 15th, I am the special guest on Craft Roulette, so be sure to check that out. This week, the parameters were a Dutch door, red plus 2 colors, birds, and splatters. So I used a Craft and Kimmy stamp set Lucky Duck. My colors are red plus yellow and blue. I have those splatters there, the bird, and it is a Dutch door. The splatters are a stamp set that I don't know that I've used very often, and I had so much fun adding those splatters to this card, and it just came out fun. It's also a 5x7 card. I think it's one of the first 5x7 cards I've ever made, which was super fun, and that fold is really, really neat. So hopefully I can revisit both the size and that Dutch door again at another time. And again, I will be on Craft Roulette on Friday, April 15th. After that, I had, let's see, the Craft and Kimmy scrap, nope, it would have been Mermaid Monday, I think. And I have this, I had colored these mermaids from the Be a Mermaid stamp set. It's Craft and Kimmy stamp set in a live video or live on Facebook, and I had them, and so I figured I'd get them on a card. Just wanted to say shallow. Look at all those fab mermaids. I had so much fun making the background with a Craft and Kimmy stencils and inks, added some sequins, and it's just a super fun slimline card for Mermaid Monday, because Mermaid Mondays are back as I gear up for Mermay. Now, next up, we had the Scrappy Challenge for Craft and Kimmy, which is anything but a card. And I made these super cute ATC cards, which I have never really made. I think I've made a couple here and there. But I had so much fun paper piecing this snail from the Craft and Kimmy stamp set special delivery. And I thought that those turned out super cute and super fun, and I think that they'll be fun to stick into a card when I send them out to friends. So there was my ATCs for the Scrappy Challenge. Next up was this owl card for my challenge. There's a stamp for that. Hoo hoo hooray. I do have a video and a blog post about that. It's a retired stamp from Some Odd Girl. And then last but not least was the last cards that I made for Kendra's card challenge number 5. I just posted that video yesterday, so you can take a look at that. But super, super fun to create those. So there's all of my creations for the week. Like I said, I feel like I've been a busy, busy bee. If you want any more information, you can leave a question in the comments, or you can go check out the videos and blog posts linked below. Come back later for the Craft and Kimmy release video, where I will have all the new products and share the cards that I made for that. And until my next video, go have an amazing day. And thanks so much for stopping by. I really appreciate all of you taking the time to watch my videos. Talk to you soon.